Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2015 Porsche Macan Turbo. So the Macan Turbo essentially has been replaced by the GTS now, but the Turbo was the fastest one you could get back in 2015. Let's see, no build sheet, no, okay. Really, really nice build. I want to say this is Luxor beige, yeah, but it's full leather dash, which is really, really nice. Heated wheel, which is a button behind the wheel, and this spoke here. Heated, cooled seats. I'm gonna go ahead. Where's the unlock? And do a quick walk around. Bose sound. Oh, the wind's died down a little bit. That's nice. Because I'm gonna say that we're gonna get a massive gust. Just a really, really great car. Twin Turbo V6. I'll have all the specs in the description. Oh, what a good car. What a good car. It 18 ways. I have a ton of seat time in Macans. Never drove a Macan Turbo though. I had a new Macan as a loaner when my Boxster was in the shop, and obviously I work with Porsche Nashua, and I've done a ton of their Macans. These never fail to amaze me at just how good to drive they really are. They're one of the best driving SUVs on the market. And it's a Porsche, so it should be. Got some burbles in sport mode, I like it. You know, on the used market, these are starting to become really, really attractive deals. This one has 69,000 miles on it. I mean, these are just genuinely becoming bargains. And especially now that we're going to the full electric Macan, I don't foresee them losing a ton more value. Obviously PDK. One of the best automatics on the market. Porsche Doppelkluck-Getriebe. Sounds so good. Love this thing. I think I've always noticed with Porsche's turbo models, they're much more relaxed than your GTS and some of your other your more performance oriented models. Even the 911 Turbo S, it's an absolute straight line weapon, but it's not nearly as track focused as your GT3, and even your GTS is kind of a little bit more on edge than your Turbo. And I think that's the same case with this Macan. Yes, it has the most power you could get in 2015, but it's still a very luxurious car, especially in a build like this one. It's really just genuinely a good car and extremely comfortable. I wish I had the spare money to pick one of these up as a daily, but we can't all be Bill Gates. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.